Hello and welcome to another Aristatak video tutorial. Today we are demonstrating how to reinstall and replace a PSU module. Here at the front of the switch, on the far right you will see that all of the LED indicators are green. This is an indicator that everything is running and functioning properly. Looking at the back of the switch, you see we have fan and PSU supplies. The PSU is located at the back of the switch. To pull out the PSU, simply squeeze the black button towards the red handle and pull outwards. To place the PSU back in, simply line it up and push it inwards until you hear a click sound. And then it's back into place. If you see here, I have two PSUs, one blue and one red. They look exactly the same, except for the color of the handles. The difference is in airflow. The red PSU indicates front to rear airflow, and the blue PSU indicates rear to front airflow. If you have any further questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out by calling one of our hotline numbers or with support@arista.com. There are more details available in the link below in the description.